Hello guys, I will show you how to order your Wise card. So this card you can use while you travel abroad. This card also very beneficial when you travel abroad. There is no forex markup and you can withdraw your amount for free in a month. This is very beneficial. So I have to approve from my app. Because if you don't have Wise account, so first you create the Wise account, then you can only order your Wise card. Okay, so first you create your Wise account, then you can able to create your order your card, Wise card. So for this, you have to prepare the Wise personal account, okay, not the business account. So when you prepare the Wise personal account, then you can only order the Wise card, okay. So let's see. Login, open the email we just sent and approve the, okay. Move this in as well. The email. Okay, so now I'm going to the personal account. So here I will go to card. So here you can see that you can place the Wise card order. I will click order and I need the physical card as well. Okay, so all these are the benefits. You can withdraw from ATM anywhere up to 200 each month, which is free withdrawal, and there is no markup fees, and you have to load your foreign currency in this card. Okay, so I'm click on order your standard card. So my address is, choose how the name appear on your card. So I want to appear like this. Set a new 4-digit pin. Continue. What is the purpose of your Wise card? So spending money when traveling abroad. So spending money when traveling abroad is my purpose for this. I want to load Thai baht. Minimum 880. Okay, so I will order the 1000 Thai baht. Okay, and I will pay this by bank transfer. This means you have money in your account to spend as soon as your card arrives. You can spend up to Siam Commercial Bank. Okay.
पपीता खट्टा हम्म
Hmm?
पपीता काट के सेब काट दे पपीता मेरे से भी छिली काटेंगे
Okay, so now my card is ordered.